Hello everyone, this is Tim with another Throwback Thursday. Today we're featuring a Connect. It's a 2018, it's a bunkhouse model. You got the front cap in there. Like I told you, this is in previous videos, this particular feature is worth its weight in gold right here. Come on back. You got the electric awning that spans over the camper, giving you a lot of patio space. The LED lights outside, the marine grade speakers outside, so you have your music, you don't have to bring another box. Place to hook up your TV, plug that TV in. You got aluminum rims. So we got an outside kitchen here. Got a refrigerator, a sink, a stove top. There is a grill that also comes along with it. It's hooked up back here, and even extra storage for bikes with a bike rack back here. One of the features that a lot of folks like, especially with kids, is this door here straight into the bathroom, so that the kids can come in and out for bathroom breaks, or if they're dirty, instead of trampling through the camper. Like I said, it's a 2018. It's a nice unit. We got a lot of good features in here and really good shape, the folks that had it. We got a front TV here that's on the swivel, so I can watch it on my sleeper sofa right here. Another place for sleeping or seating here. The Boondock refrigerator. You don't have to make as many trips to the grocery store. You can put, this is 10 cubic foot. Again, you can boondock with this too. Microwave, flush top stove mount right here. And you do have two ACs, one here, and your second AC is actually in the front bedroom. But let's walk on, finish back here. You've got a bunk here. Table set up. This table setup will also make another bed here. The kids can have their TV here. Plenty of drawer space, plenty of cabinet space for everything that the kids can need. Basically everything will have its place in the camper. More sleeping area here. Got USBs. Got to have them now for the kids with the phones. Everybody's got them from 3 years old on up, it seems now. I don't know if you could get this in the video, but they got the nice accent lighting here, especially at night. This really looks nice. It's blue, kind of hitting the ceiling here. This radio here is an AM, FM, DVD player also. So in other words, if you got a phone that has your music on it, I can have my phone outside and tune it into the music that I like also. And in the front bedroom, like I was telling you earlier, the second AC is right here. You got his and her hanging storage, nice sized bed, solid doors. A lot of people like that for privacy instead of the accordion doors or curtains now. So, and here's the bathroom right here. So in this particular model, you got your commode, your sink, and a bigger shower. The rectangle shower in here is a lot better. You have the mold resistant shower curtain. A lot of times these shower curtains get molded. This thing will not. Thank you for watching another Throwback Thursday. This is Tim.